Hey queens, welcome to my channel. Today we are getting into how to melt this lace to perfection. If that's something you're interested in, then keep watching. So I start with my hair braided and a little bit of BBs in the back. Now you're going to take your bald cap and you're going to pull it down as far as it can go. You don't need to cover your eyes. We're not doing that anymore. You're going to cut holes where your ears are so that way the bald cap can lay closest to your skin. I do recommend cutting behind your ear so that way you don't mistakenly actually cut your ear. Now, this step is super important and it really depends on your activity level. I personally use glue to glue down my stocking cap just because I work out and I don't want my wig cap slipping back. When I do use Got2b, I notice that my wig cap slips back while I'm working out and sweating, but my lace is still in place. So in my opinion, do what works best for your activity level. Something else that I like to do is add an extra layer to the sides. The sides will betray you time and time again. Please trust me on that one. Now that everything is dry and ready to go, we're going to cut off all of the excess cap, and we want to cut as close to the glue line as possible. Sorry y'all, I had to appreciate bald cap me. She kind of looked good to me. Okay, so the wig that I'm putting on today is from YWigs. This is a 20-inch kinky straight wig and the density was 180. So before I apply the wig, I'm just going to spray some lace tint spray so that way it blends in better with my skin. You want to make sure that you are drying your lace tint spray because that's how you're going to see if you need to apply a second coat or if the coat is perfect for your skin. Now I'm just pushing back my hairline with a hot comb so that way I can see where I need to place the lace on my head. One thing I did like about this lace wig is that it came with a band, so if I wanted to make it glueless, I can definitely make it glueless, but for me, I love to glue my wigs down. Hopefully I can get on the glueless train soon. And y'all, just look at how beautiful this hairline looks. The lace is extremely clear. This is clear lace. Get into it. One thing I didn't like about this wig is that there wasn't a lot of parting space on the sides. I do believe that this frontal is 13 by 6, but the parting space is only 6 inches wide and long. Okay, so before we start gluing, we need to cut this lace into different sections so we can make sure that we are applying the glue and the lace together where it needs to go. So here I am just cutting my lace into sections. I don't really do the same sections each time. I just kind of eyeball it and figure out what's going to work best for the shape of the hairline. Now I'm just spraying some skin protectant. I have super sensitive skin, so I need to spray that before I apply the glue, even though I've already applied glue already, I forgot. So at this point, we're going to go around the circumference of where our bald cap ends. So we're going to apply 3 layers and we're going to smooth it out with the rat tail part of the comb. I know I said I was going to go with lace grip from now on because my skin was breaking out, but lace grip has been having me look a mess. So I have to go back to Erica J at this point. All right, now we're applying our lace to the glue and we're going to use the comb part of our rat tail comb just to kind of press it into the glue. Another thing that's optional is I like to use my hot comb just to kind of heat up that glue and melt it and then have it dry back down to my lace. Now we're going to take an elastic band and we're going to tie that around our lace. So wherever we just applied that glue, you need to make sure that band is sitting exactly where you applied that glue. And for better adhesion, we are going to use a blow dryer and we're going to go warm and cool, and you're going to alternate. This is going to help melt that glue and dry it back to your lace. In this part of the video, I am just styling my hair. Feel free to skip to the next chapter if you would not like to watch me styling my hair.
I said, skirt all niggas, skirt up all niggas, skirt down, you acting like me, acting like we wasn't more than a summer fling. I said farewell, you took it well, promise I won't cry, bust the milk. Give me a paper towel, give me another value, give me another hour or two. I war with you. Why you bother me when you know you don't want me? Why you bother me when you know you got a woman?
So now that we've let our elastic band melt our lace for a little bit, we're going to take the Ebin lace glue spray and we are going to spray that around the circumference of our lace. But one thing I don't want you to do is I don't want you to take the elastic band off. I just want you to lift it up, spray, put it back down. And y'all, I cannot make this up. Look at this lace. Look at the lace. Look at how well we just melted our lace front. So I'm trying this new technique on how I cut my lace. On TikTok, they said that you need to rip the lace into the blade. So that's what you see me doing here. I typically just cut it in ridges, but this time I decided to try something different. If you have any lace left over that is next to your ear, go ahead and just cut that off because sometimes it can be extremely irritating and it'll make a long sideburn. So just cut it off to your liking. And now I'm just pulling out my baby hairs. One day they won't have me in a chokehold like they do, but for now, I'm going to have my 4 different places of baby hairs. Once I finish with my baby hairs, I like to use my elastic band to remelt everything together. Now my makeup's done and it's time to reveal the final look. I'm so in love with this wig. I love how the lace melted to my skin. I love the hairline. I did do a little bit of tweezing to the hairline just to help make it a little bit more natural. Sometimes it's hard with the half up, half down. This is the Erica J lace glue, and y'all, I just went to go work out. Like, I was sweating. And this is the same wig. She's still intact. But other than that, I love this wig, love how it held a curl. I love the lace on it. This is a clear lace and I'm just completely satisfied. I can't wait to try different styles with this wig. I will keep you guys updated on shedding and whether or not it tangles really easily. Thank you guys so much for watching and supporting me. I will see you in my next video. Bye.